guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time. The name of my channel is Blonde Amazon, where I do imperfect home decor and more. So today I want to show you a little project that's been in the works for a while. I ordered off of Instagram these photo magnets. So this is one of my husband and I and my son and his girlfriend. This is one of our granddaughter. This is one of my mom and my son. I have 3 kids. My husband has 3 kids. This is my daughter, my husband, and myself. These are the grandkids. And my daughter at her wedding. Another one of her in her wedding. And the grandkids. Okay. So when I was vacationing, actually, when we went to our daughter's wedding in Washington State, I stopped by Hobby Lobby and I bought this tree. Let me see if I can move the camera out. I don't know if that works. Let's see. Move the camera out a bit. Ooh. Is that as, I guess that's as wide as it goes. But you get the idea. This is the tree. And so I bought these magnets to put on the tree. I was gonna kind of do a family tree, and I still might, but I was just testing these to see if it was gonna work as far as the size went. So as you can see, I believe these are 2 inches. Let me see. Yeah, they're 2-inch by 2-inch magnets, and they fit so nicely on the large hearts. I'm sure I have to put these staggered, you know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna go put it up on my wall, and I'm gonna show you guys how it came out, okay? Okay guys, this is my tree wall, which is right next to my closet. And these are the photos on it. And I think it looks pretty cool. And this is a metal tree that I got from Hallmark years ago. There was another one that I think that was a little smaller. I don't know what happened to it. And this one I got at a party a few weeks back. But for instance, because it's metal, these can go on there as well if I wanted to. I have more pictures that I need to print out, but I think that's coming along really nicely for a first little home decor area that I actually decorated. So I've been in this house for a while, and a year, and I haven't really done anything with it, but I've decided to start decorating. So this is the first area that I wanted to show you guys. Hope everybody's having a great day. Let me know what you think about my my metal tree wall. Thanks guys, have a great day. Bye.